So guys, this is the question number 16 which I'm going to solve, and what we are going to do in this, we remove duplicate element from an array. Okay, so I'm going to explain the like this code step by step what actually I'm doing in this code, so it will be going to very helpful for you all. Okay, so first we define the input array. So in this step, you define the input array that contain duplicates element. After that, come to the step 2. Initialize an empty array for unique elements. So then after that I wrote where unique array. Here you create an empty array called unique array where the unique element will be stored. Come to the step 3. What we're doing here, it is iterate through the input array. Okay, so what we do is there we use a for loop to iterate through the element in the input array. In each iteration we extract the current element using input array I. We check if unique array does not include the current element. If it is not already in the unique array, we push it into the unique array. Okay, come to the step 4. In this, it is a output. Okay, output the unique array. Okay, the step 4. What be happening in there? In this final step, we use console.log to print the unique array that contain only the unique elements. Okay, step 5 is nothing. Now this is the actually output part. Okay, so when you run this code with this input array 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4, right, if you take it 5 5 6 6, then always it will show output unique array 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you took 6, okay, if you took till if you take till 5 number, then it will show 5. Okay, from every number it is take one number, unique one, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and that is the man. This code actually, you know what happening, this code remove duplicate by iterating through the input array and adding element to the unique array if they have not been incurred before. Okay, so this is the explanation part which I have done for you all. I hope this step-by-step explanation help you understand how to remove duplicate element from an array in JavaScript, right? So let's meet in the question number 17, guys.